If you've been trying to get free stuff on Temu, but nothing really works, you're probably using an outdated method, because the way the system behaves right now is slightly different, and there's a simple trick that most people are still missing. So in this video, I'll show you how to get free stuff on Temu using this updated method and why it works better in 2026. Before we go further, the latest working Temu Free Gift code is on screen right now. You'll also find it in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes in case this one changes. Part 1, what changed? Let's start here. Temu Free Gift still works, but not the same way as before. Earlier, open app, enter code, wait. Now, it depends more on how you enter and interact. That's why older tricks don't feel consistent anymore. Why most people still don't get results. Here's the problem. Most users open Temu normally, start browsing, then try different methods, but by then they're already outside the system and nothing changes. The new trick explained. The trick is simple. It's not about doing more, it's about entering correctly from the start, because that's what triggers the system. Part 2, the updated method, 2026. Here's what actually works now. Step 1, enter through the promotion. Before opening Temu, use the link in the description. This connects you directly to the free gift campaign. Step 2, activate the session. Once the page opens, complete the activation step. Now your session is aligned with the system. Step 3, open Temu. After that, open the app. You should now see free gift event, reward interface, item selection. If not, try once again. Step 4, enter the code. Apply the free gift code shown on screen. This connects your account to the active promotion. Step 5, follow the flow. Now just follow what Temu shows. Offers, tasks, event steps. This is how progress unlocks. What to expect. Let's keep it real. System works when entered correctly. Many users are getting results. Setup feels faster with this method, not instant full completion. Some effort is required. Results can vary. Final takeaway, the new trick isn't complicated. It's just understanding how the system actually works now. Enter the right way, follow the flow, and everything starts working the way it should. Try this method and comment what happened. Did it work better for you this time?